Construction of circle. So in this part, we have a different circle that has center 4 and 1 and radius of 3. And therefore, we have to construct this circle in the coordinate diagram below. Well, how do we do that? We need our compass. The question is first, well, where do I put the center of it, isn't it? Where do I place it? And then how far do I extend it? That's basically the two things we need. And that's why the center and the radius come in. So first, I'm marking my center. So x is 4 and y is -1. So that is the center. And then I am told that the length, how far I am extending that is 3. So 1, 2, 3 units. And then all I have to do is to just draw a circle. And that's it. And we have the construction of the circle.